Still really dark on you guys.
Say hey, everybody.
Yay,
for the
snow!
Look at that.
See our poor bushes.
Oh, look at me, the snow.
And if you look at these bushes over here, you can just barely see
Look
them.
at that snow.
And the icicles. There's Daddy and
And
Boo
a
Boo.
snow monster.
Okay.
Get us over here, Mommy.
Hey, Boo Boo. What do you think of the snow?
What do you think of the snowball, Mommy?
Not much, thanks.
I got you, Mommy.
That's hilarious.
We thought so.